This is the 13 level multi-level inverter, okay, based on the switched capacitor. Due to the switched capacitors, the levels will be generated, and we are using a single source here. With single source and the capacitors, we can achieve the voltage higher than the input voltage. That is 6 times the voltage will be boosted. This is the simulation circuit of the 13 level inverter. This is the input voltage 56. So the output voltage will be 6 times of this 56 voltage. It will be around 320, 330 volt. The number of switches here are 14 switches, and number of capacitors are 3 capacitors. The across capacitor 1 and capacitor 2, the voltage will be equal to the input voltage. Across capacitor 3, the voltage will be 3 times of the input voltage. Okay, and here we are using the switching technique as nearest level control. Here from the sine wave the levels are generated, and here for each level the corresponding switching patterns are followed. For level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, like that for each level corresponding switching patterns are followed, and that will be provided to the switches. Here these are the capacitor voltages. The capacitor voltages is around 56 volt for C1 and C2, and for C3 it is around 160 to 170 volt. And these are the levels. Okay, here positive 6 level, negative 6 level, and with 0 level we will get 13 level output. And then we can change it to RL load. And run the simulation. Here we can check the THD with the help of FFT analysis tool. Here the THD is around 1.07 percentage for this 13 level inverter. This is the working of the inverter. This inverter consists of single voltage source and 3 capacitors along with 14 switches. Here due to the 3 capacitors the levels will be generated, and the voltage will be 6 times higher than that of input voltage. Here across C1 and C2 voltage will be equal to DC input, and across C3 the voltage will be 3 times of DC input. This is the main features of this inverter.